Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to buy Bitcoin with Trust Wallet in Canada. Open Trust Wallet, enable PIN and 2FA, and write down your seed phrase stored offline. Add funds using Interac eTransfer or a linked debit card while watching network fees. Use the dApps browser or SafeSwap to locate a reliable on-ramp. Review the transaction details carefully, confirm gas and slippage, then finalize your purchase securely. Set up Trust Wallet by creating a new wallet and writing your seed phrase on paper, then store it offline in a safe place. Enable a strong PIN and enable 2FA when available to add protection against theft. Confirm you downloaded the genuine app from the official store and avoid third-party downloads. Consider reinstall testing with your seed phrase in a safe environment to ensure backups work before adding funds or trading. If you are finding the video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. On another note, quick recommendation. These leak-proof containers make meal prep simple, keep salads crisp, and survive commutes without leaks, perfect for busy crypto traders. Check the description for the link and other deals so you can grab a set if you want. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Open the dApps browser or use a trusted swap service inside Trust Wallet to select an on-ramp with good liquidity and reviews. Set conservative slippage limits and confirm network fees to avoid surprises, then review the destination address and timing before approving the transaction. After buying, consider moving significant BTC to a hardware wallet for cold storage and label transactions for your records. Regularly review security settings and update recovery practices to keep your funds safe.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.